Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective solution for one of the most frustrating WordPress issues. Permalinks not working in pages showing a 404 error. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to fix broken permalinks, getting your site's links back on track and your visitors where they should be. Let's dive into the remedy, and honestly, it's much easier than it sounds. Whenever your WordPress site starts throwing those 404 not found pages when you click a link, it's often caused by the permalink structure getting a little out of sync. Luckily, there's a straightforward way to reset or flush WordPress's URL rewrite rules. Think of it as giving your site's navigation a refresh so that WordPress can find every page again. Start by logging in to your WordPress dashboard. If you've never done this before, just go to your site, comwp-admin, and enter your username and password. Once you're inside, you'll see the familiar menu running down the left side. From here, you want to head over to Settings, then click on Permalinks. The Permalinks screen is where WordPress lets you choose how your site's URLs look, whether that's plain day and names, month and name, or post name, which is one of the most popular options for SEO-friendly URLs. Now here comes the trick. Even if you've never changed this setting, resetting it will prompt WordPress to regenerate those underlying link rules. To do that, simply select a different structure than what you currently use. For example, if your site is set to post name, switch over to plain just for a moment. Don't worry, it's completely safe and you're not going to break anything. Click Save Changes at the bottom. You might notice a very gentle refresh of the screen. WordPress is quietly updating the way your links are handled behind the scenes. Right after that, go back and choose your original structure again. So if you usually use post name, switch back to it now. Hit Save Changes once more. What's actually happening is that WordPress is rewriting the way it directs requests for each page, flushing out any old rules and making everything fresh. It's a little like clearing out a jammed traffic intersection, so everything starts flowing smoothly again. At this point, pause for a moment and return to your site's front end. Try refreshing one of the URLs that was previously showing a 404 error. More often than not, you'll see your page load up as normal, which feels like magic if you've been stuck on this problem. If your 404s are still hanging around, don't panic. Sometimes you may need to clear your browser cache or check with your web host about server configuration rules, but for most people, just resetting your permalinks does the trick. And there you have it. In just a minute or two, you've tackled one of WordPress's most common headaches. If you found this walkthrough helpful, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. If you have more questions about WordPress permalinks, or you're still seeing errors after trying these steps, drop a comment below. I always check the questions and do my best to help out. And if you want more straightforward tutorials to keep your website running smoothly, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.